Are you confused about which web server to choose? Today, we're comparing Caddy, Traefik, and Nginx to help you decide. These three tools are popular for serving web applications. They can handle requests, manage traffic, and provide security, but they have different features and strengths. Let's start with Caddy. Caddy is known for its simplicity. It automatically configures HTTPS, which is a big plus for many users. It's easy to set up and has a user friendly configuration file. This makes it great for beginners who want to get started quickly. Next, we have Traefik. Traefik is designed for dynamic environments. It works well with microservices and can automatically discover services. This makes it perfect for modern applications that need to scale. Its dashboard is also handy for monitoring traffic in real time. Now, let's talk about Nginx. Nginx is a veteran in the web server space. It's very powerful and can handle a lot of requests. It's great for serving static content and is often used as a reverse proxy. However, it can be more complex to configure, especially for new users. So, what are the key differences? Caddy is all about ease of use. Traefik shines in dynamic environments, and Nginx offers powerful performance. Each has its own unique features that cater to different needs. When it comes to pricing, Caddy and Traefik are both open source, which means you can use them for free. Nginx also has a free version, but it offers premium features for a fee. In the end, if you want simplicity, go with Caddy. If you're working with microservices, Traefik is the way to go. For high performance and flexibility, Nginx is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.